Hello, Hardware here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Edge app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, find your Edge app, like here, go right there, and check if you have the newest version like me. If the update is available, maybe you just need to update. After this, everything should be cool, no issues. But if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go to the settings, scroll a little down. Now here, go apps, here, let's see, here, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all of them, like this, here, and here. After this, go to the Wi-Fi data storage and restrict all mobile data. That means that after this, everything should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last easiest way. Just reinstalling the app in your Play Store again, here, and just reinstall. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.